Are you a manual QA engineer who is scared of automation and AI? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can become an AI powered automation engineer in 90 days without coding experience. And this is not just a roadmap, this is completely free course where I will teach you everything from manual testing basics to AI powered automation engineer frameworks using Playwright MCP, GitHub Copilot, and other AI powered tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and other things which you can use. So, if you are confused about where to start, this video is for you. So, this is the first video in this session. We will cover future of QA, the career roadmap, and tools you need, learning plans, and how to build strong portfolio, etc. So, by the end, you will have a clear direction for your next 3 to 6 months. And in the next video, we will start setting up the actual Playwright with Copilot setup, and then we will start learning. I will start teaching you everything which you need from shifting from QA automation Selenium to actually AI assisted QA automation engineer. Or if you want to learn from start from QA manual to automation, then this course is for you. So, what is the current state of automation testing? So, today companies are releasing the softwares very fast. Manual testing is not enough. You need to do the automation without manual testing. You can not go with the fast pace the companies are going, but still automation only is not enough. You need to have the manual testing skills as well. You need to understand usability, UI UX functionality, and responsiveness, which I have explained everything in my previous course on this channel. So go and watch there if you don't know how to learn QA, manual QA engineer. So learn that, and then we will shift to the AI automation test engineer. So what AI testing tools are in here? So previously we were using Selenium and Cypress. We were writing code, and it was taking a lot of time to do the things. But now we are using the tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude, and AI test generators, self-healing test. So we are using different things, and AI tools now support self-healing and smart testing as well. So these are the tools we are using. So why AI is the future of QA? So before AI assisted or AI driven testing, AI driven automation testing actually, we were writing codes, we were maintaining the object repositories manually. There are many flaws. It is taking more time when you are working in Selenium automation or other tools already. But you have to now shift to the AI driven automation testing using copilots, using MCPs. So it is very important. So with the AI, you can write automation scripts much faster. Your debugging will be easier. Your productivity will be increased, and at the end, everyone needs more productivity. And in the upcoming videos, I will personally guide you through each of these steps. We will do it together with live demos and real projects and practice exercises. I will help you learn complete course from setup of the automation in Playwright MCP and GitHub Copilot in Java, and to write your first test case, to write a more advanced test case scripts, and everything. I will show you how you can do it. And if you don't know coding, that is also fine. You will learn these things here. So, Playwright versus Selenium. Why I am talking about mostly the Playwright? Because Selenium is old-fashioned. It is traditional. It was good, but it is taking a lot of time to maintain things. So it took a lot of time to set up. So it is a slower setup. So Playwright is more modern. It is faster, more stable, and has auto wait feature. That is why this course we will focus on Playwright, but more importantly, we will use the Playwright MCP with GitHub Copilot. What are these things? I will explain in upcoming videos. So don't worry about these things right now. So manual versus automation QA skills. So manual tester focuses on test cases, bug reporting, testing for usability, UI UX, responsiveness, or if there is a new feature release, manual testers are doing those. So those things are important. You need to learn these, and you can learn them for free on my YouTube channel. But automation is mostly important now. So automation engineers need coding frameworks, CI/CD, and AI tools. Importantly, now the automation engineers knew how to do the automation using AI tools, because using the AI you can do more in less time, which is needed by all the companies right now. So, uh, complete learning path. This is the step-by-step learning path. First, you need to learn about the QA basics, which you can learn at your own. I will not go into detail of those things, but all the manual QA basics are already on my YouTube channel. You can watch the small free course on my YouTube channel about how to uh, become a manual QA engineer for usability, exploratory testing, and many other things are already mentioned there. So after QA basics, you need to learn some fundamentals, Java or Python or anything. But you can also learn those. You already knew about those because you are a QA automation or you are a manual QA engineers. Then you might be a software engineer. You might be someone computer science engineer or who already knew the basics of coding. So basics of coding languages is enough for this course. After that, you need to learn the Playwright and GitHub Copilot. So I will teach you everything related to this in this upcoming course. I will teach you how to set up and then write the Playwright test cases using GitHub Copilot and Playwright MCP. Then we will go to the advanced steps. So this course is all about teaching you everything. So finally, AI tools and frameworks you need to learn. So if you follow this course, you won't feel lost. So 90 days learning plan. So first of all, um, in the first month, focus on the Java and QA concepts. If you don't know them already, you can follow my previous course for manual QA engineers. And if you are already involved in QA projects and Java, or you know already about coding languages, then it is fine. You can just start from the setting of your project, which we will do in our next video. So you will have to learn Playwright and automation if you don't know automation already, but you have to learn the basics, and I will teach you those things as well. Then you will have to use the AI tools, GitHub Copilot and Playwright MCP to automate these things. It will write test cases, test scripts automatically. You just need to give it in plain English language. And in this upcoming course, I will teach you everything about this. So then you will have to have a portfolio project. So portfolio projects are more important than certificates. You should have at least one automation, um, one API project, and one hybrid framework. We will build these together, and I will help you create your portfolio as well. So stick to this course. In the next video, we will start from scratch. And then job opportunities and salaries. So after learning these skills, you can apply for roles like automation engineer, SDET, QA lead, or AI driven automation engineer, or there are many remote jobs who need AI driven automation engineers or playwright automation engineer. So you can have all these things and you can apply for these jobs. And the salary is very good in all these jobs because these are the development jobs, not the QA jobs. So free learning resources, there are many free learning resources. You can read Playwright document to learn, you can read GitHub repository, uh, you can check the Copilot access. I will give you all these free learning resources during my upcoming videos. Whenever something is needed, I will give you the link where you can learn those things. So who this course is for? This course is for manual QA engineers who need to shift toward automation, and they don't need to worry about because they don't need to learn code or how in detail code. So you need to learn just how to use the AI tools, and I will teach you how. And if you are a fresh graduate, this is the best thing for you. You can just shift to the AI driven automation testing. And believe me, many companies needed automation and automation testing. And now with AI driven automation testing, they are releasing softwares in very fast pace. And there are many jobs out there for QA automation engineers who are also skilled in AI tools like Copilot and these things. So next, I will show you how to set up everything step by step, and I will work with you. I will teach you everything. So stick to this course, and subscribe to my channel. Follow this playlist specifically because I will upload all the upcoming videos to this playlist, and then you will have to practice the daily, and you can join communities to learn more. And let's start this journey toward AI powered automation. So subscribe my channel now, and let's start from scratch in our next upcoming video. Thank you.